Hello students, welcome back to the e-learning classes. Now all of you open your EVS workbook, page number 102 and chapter Web of Life. From this chapter we have learned that human beings, plants and animals all depend on one another. No one can survive without each other, and a product which is a waste for someone is the food of someone else, and so on. This is called life cycle or web of life. A product which is a waste for someone is the food of someone else, and so on. This is called life cycle or web of life. Next question answer, explain how are the following things important in our life. First one, water. So without water we cannot live. Number two, sun. Sun gives us heat and light. Sun gives us light and heat. Next, plants. Plants give us oxygen, medicines and food. Air. We all need oxygen for respiration. We get oxygen from air. Next, moon. We get light from moon at night. And next, we take water in our house. Okay? Water. Without water we cannot live. Sun gives us light and heat. Plant give us oxygen, medicine, food, etc. Air. We all need oxygen for respiration. We get oxygen from air. Moon. We get light from moon at night. And house. We take shelter in our house. Okay. Next, write any 5 natural and man-made things. Write 5 natural and man-made things. So, number 2. Natural and man-made. Okay. So, natural things is sun, earth, tree, man and water. Okay. And man-made is cloth, house, train, pen, and bus. Okay. So these 5 things, natural and man-made. Next, fun activity. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks with the correct word. Trees gives us fruits and wood. So 3, 1. Trees gives us food and wood. Okay. Bricks are made by a potter from water and clay. Number 2. Bricks are made by a potter from water and clay. Next, number 3. Okay. Clay pits are found near water bodies. Okay, clay pits open ground. Clay pits are found near open grounds. Okay, or water bodies also. Water, sun and rain are important to us. Number 4, water, sun and this is water body also. Okay, water bodies, say sun and air are important. important, important to us. Next, number 5, birds depend on nature for their food. Birds depends on nature for their food. Okay, so next, name some important things which we cannot survive. Paste picture of some of them. Some important things like sun, or some food, clothes. Okay, anyhow, and paste some pictures. Okay, this is your homework. You will complete this work, and 1, 2, 3 fun web of life already completed. Okay, so next class we will start new topic.